Chris Straub here with Straub Technologies, and wanted to shout out to you circle track racers that may be entering in the Topless Outlaw in the LS class. I've been in conversation with Scott Pass now for probably going on 2 months, and we have sent Scott some quotes as far as CNC porting any of the OEM castings for that class. We can fully CNC machine blocks. We can do top-end packages. We can do rotating kits. We can do the block work. Now, this is available to the end user, the racer himself, or we've got a program for engine builders. Now, why us? Because I've agreed with Scott Pass that we will actually, based on every sale, we will serial number. I'll give Scott a copy of that sales order, and we will put money into the points fund for that class. So money spent with us, you're getting part of that back in return if you're number 1, number 2, or number 3 in that class. So when you're looking at going circle track racing and you're needing some components for that LS, give us a shout. We will send you a quote and you can take a look at it. Everything we do here is by skilled technicians, full CNC shop as far as valve jobs, computerized balancing, block machining, cylinder head, and we do port in-house. We have every OEM cylinder head casting program available, so there's not an OEM GMLS cylinder head that we can't port. If you've got castings, that's not a problem. We will just quote you for the castings. We can do that also. Rocker arms, camshaft profiles, or anything like that. If you're needing any help camming that LS motor, I've got a little bit of experience with the LS platform and stuff, so give us a shout. Remember, at Straub Technologies, we don't build engines, we build combinations.